What is going on, guys? I'm going to show you guys real quick how to change a cabin air filter in a Ford Taurus. So this process works from, I believe, 2010 on to 2017 or 2018. I already changed the cabin air filter. It's just that I thought I had my camera on record, but it wasn't recording, so now I gotta show you guys again. So what you want to do first is open your dashboard over here, and whatever you have inside, I'll just take it out, put it on the side. I don't have too much stuff in there. So yeah, so inside the dashboard there's gonna be this little piece over here, and then there's like a hole, empty hole. So what you want to do is you want to move that up. You just want to like push it where that hole is so it can release through. So I'm just gonna do that. There. So that just pops out of the hole. I released it, it just came out just like that. And what you want to do is you kind of want to pinch the dashboard. So what you want to do is you want to push from this side and push from this side at the same time. I can't do two sides at the same time because one hand. Once the dashboard comes down, there's just clips holding it, so you can take the dashboard out. Don't be too aggressive with it because, like I said, it's just clips holding it. There. So now my whole dashboard is out, and now the air filter is right in here. And alright, to get the cabin air filter out, what you want to do is there's gonna be a tab over here, and then there's gonna be a tab right over here. What you want to do is push down and pull at the same time from the top, and then same for the other side. And that just pops out, and just put it on the side, and then the cabin air filter is right in here, and you could just pull it out. So this is going to be clean because this is new, and the way you want to put this in is we'll have an arrow on there. So mine says airflow and the arrow's pointing down. So where the airflow mark is, the arrow should be pointing down when you put the cabin air filter in. And then once you get the old one out, you can just pop the new one in. Pretty straightforward. And to get the dashboard in, you just reverse the steps, and that's it. I'm just gonna put this back together first. Alright, so that's in, and to put this back, pretty easy. Line the top up first, push it, locks into place, make sure they're both locked. That's it. So that's in, and now we're gonna put the dashboard back in. That should be pretty straightforward too. Once you get the tabs in, you can close the dashboard. Not completely, but you just want to close it so these clips that hold the dashboard just like lock in place. Alright. And then once you do that, remember this little thing we popped up? We just want to put it back in. So it comes in from the big side of the hole, like that. And then you push it down, so it just locks in, so it can actually hold the dashboard. That's basically like the spring, so it comes down slowly like that, and that's how you change your cabin air filter. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. I'm just gonna put everything back in here, and that's it. I hope this video helped, guys. Thanks for watching.